Leah is about to break the cup. Here, I'll do a little cup. No, we'll do it outside. In the street. We're going out this way. Out this way, Stevie. I was waiting for Eddie to go upstairs, and he was waiting for us to go downstairs. What are you going to do next? In the street. In the street?
Why don't you just toss it from behind? I'm doing it in the street, somebody's going to hit it.
Yeah,
I know.
You can't do it in the street. Do it over here. Come here. I'll do it like right here. Are you ready?
You just do it.
Are you recording it?
Mhm.
Get it for me. I want to try it. No, it's
Gotta
my
throw
dear.
it
It's my
up
dear.
in the
It's my dear.
air.
Yeah, throw it up in the air.